Do you mind if I go grab something to eat before we go? I'm starving.
Okay, do you mind if I sit down?
No, please.
Hi. Do you mind if I film you?
Do you mind if I ask you a personal question?
It's been discussed, but, do you mind if I ask how old you are?
Hey, do you mind if I steal you from the parade and talk to you real quick?
You mind if I use your bathroom?
No, go ahead.
Do you mind if I kiss you?
He's a good-looking boy. Do you mind if I keep this pic?
I'm on my way out of town, but I was wondering, do you mind if I sit down?
Do you mind if I step outside for a moment?
Do you mind if I speak bluntly?
I'd prefer it.
Do you mind if I get dressed first?
Yeah, do you mind if I look around and see if anything's missing?
Do you mind if I borrow some lip balm?
Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
I say, do you mind if I cut in?
Do you mind if I just close my eyes for a minute?
Do you mind if I check behind your ear?
Do you mind if I speak to her?
Do you mind if I smoke?
If you must.
Do you mind if I say something?
Do you mind if I sit down?
Do you mind if I use the bathroom?
Okay, do you mind if I...
Yes, please.
Do you mind if I look...
Oh, go ahead.
Do you mind if I make an observation, detective?
Do you mind if I call you Elizabeth?
Do you mind if I film you for this portion of the interview?
Do you mind if I take some?
You mind if I smoke?
To me. Do you mind if I interrupt Dina?
No, sure.
Do you mind if I take a look?
Do you mind if I smoke while you eat?
Hey, did you hear about Goldstein?
Shit.
Do you mind if I run upstairs and, there's just a book that we need?
Hey, Ben, do you mind if I get a picture with you?
Do you mind if I read him first?
Be my guest.
Do you mind if I come in and make a quick phone call?
Do you mind if I pay you, next time?
Do you mind if I have a couple of minutes alone with him?
Hi. Do you mind if I go to lunch?
Do you mind if I say something to her?